So this question says the external and internal diameters of the tube are measured as 32 plus or minus 2 millimeters and 21 plus or minus 1 millimeters respectively. Okay. Determine the percentage error in the thickness of this tube. All right, this is a unique question. So how do we approach this? I'm going to use a strategy called plug-in picture strategy, which means I'm going to try to draw a diagram for this. So let's try and draw the tube. An hollow tube means it has hole inside, but I'm going to draw only the cross section. So this is the hollow tube. All right. So the external diameter is going to be from here to here. So external diameter external is 32 plus or minus 2 millimeter. Okay, and the internal diameter is 21 plus or minus 1. So internal diameter is going to be from this place, this place. So diameter internal is 21 plus or minus 1 millimeter. Determine the percentage error in the thickness. All right. So what is percentage error? The percentage error is going to equal to the error itself, the standard error in the thickness, over the thickness of the tube multiplied by 100. That is the formula for calculating percentage error. That means we need to know the absolute error, the thickness of the tube itself, for us to calculate the percentage error. Now, let's begin by calculating the thickness itself. Note that the thickness of this tube is going to be external diameter minus internal diameter over 2. The thickness, that is this shaded region, that is the thickness. So it's going to be external diameter minus internal diameter over 2. Why are we dividing by 2? We are dividing by 2 because this tube is going to have two sides, the left side and the right side. So the thickness is at 2 parts. That is why we are dividing by 2. So T is going to equal to 32 minus 21 over 2. 32 minus 21, of course, is 11 over 2. 11 over 2 is 5.5 millimeters. So we've gotten the thickness. Now we need to calculate the absolute error. Now, what is the absolute error? The absolute error in this case is going to be the absolute error of the external diameter, absolute error in external diameter, minus absolute error in internal diameter over 2. So whenever you see plus or minus, that is what absolute error is saying. So the absolute error in the external diameter is plus or minus 2. Absolute error in internal diameter is plus or minus 1. All right. But take note, when you're dealing with absolute error, actually absolute error is addition. All right. Take as a note that absolute error are added, not subtracted. Pardon me. So the absolute error in thickness is going to equal to 2 plus 1 over 2. So 2 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So absolute error is 1.5. Putting that together, absolute error is going to equal to percentage error, that is going to equal to 1.5, which is the absolute error, but the thickness itself, that is 5.5 multiplied by 100. Put that into your calculator. 1.5 divided 5.5 is going to give us 0.2727. So multiplied by 100, that's going to give us 27.27 times 100. Oh, sorry, I already multiplied by 100. So it's just 27.27. 27.27 can be approximated to 27%. So the correct option is going to be